Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock or unlock your US Bank card. First thing I want you to do is just launch the US Bank app, come to the top left and click on these three horizontal lines. This will open up the menu. Now from the menu I want you to go ahead and tap on Manage Cards, and from here I want you to just go ahead and choose the card that you want to manage. So we'll choose this one, and then I want you to go ahead and scroll down until you reach the Protect section. And then here, I want you to go ahead and tap on Lock or Unlock Card. Go ahead and do that. And then here, they'll give you some guidelines. And if you want to lock your card, just click on Lock Card now. If it's already locked, you will get the option to unlock it. So we'll go ahead and click on Lock Card now. And then, as you can see, the card's now being protected. You can come here and click on Continue to finalize this process. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.